Which laser level is actually good for surveying? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Mott over a self-leveling laser. First up is the Mott over a self-leveling laser level. This little beast caught my attention with its bright green beam and bestseller label, priced at $49.99. If you want accuracy without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The Mott over a delivers an ultra-bright green beam, which is 4 times brighter than standard red lasers. This means you can see it clearly indoors up to 100 feet, even in well-lit settings. With a plus or minus 1/9-inch accuracy at 33 feet, it takes the guesswork out of tasks like tiling or picture hanging. Plus, it has a manual mode that helps you project lines at any angle, perfect for sloped surfaces or custom layouts. And with over 3,500 reviews and a solid rating of 4.3 stars, it's no wonder this has been a hit among DIYers and professionals alike. Now, some people complained about the protective acrylic window causing tiny gaps in laser lines. Here's the thing, though, it doesn't affect accuracy, so don't let that deter you. If you care about precision and ease of use, this is still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for a reliable tool without spending too much. Skip this one if you need something more advanced or specialized for outdoor use. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if the Mott over a protective window issue bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ake Tri-Laser Level Kit. Next up is the Ake Tri-Laser Level Line Tool. At only $9.95, this is the budget-friendly option that caught my eye. If you're looking for something simple yet effective, this is definitely worth a look. The Ake Tri is designed with ease of use in mind. It features a one-slider selection button, allowing you to switch between vertical, horizontal, and cross laser lines with ease. It even comes with an 8-foot measuring tape built in, making it super convenient for quick jobs. With over 15,500 reviews and still holding a 4.3-star rating, it's a solid choice for those who want something straightforward. However, some users mention that the laser isn't the brightest in direct sunlight. But honestly, for indoor tasks, this really shouldn't be a deal-breaker. It's perfect for home projects and casual use. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner looking to tackle small renovation projects without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need professional-grade accuracy for large surveying tasks. For the price, it's an excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious leveling needs. Product number 3, Firecore 13-foot aluminum grade rod. Now let's talk about the Firecore 13-foot aluminum grade rod priced at $47.99. This caught my attention for its durability and versatility. If you're serious about leveling work, this is definitely worth a serious look. The Firecore rod extends to 13 feet, which is perfect for those larger projects where height is essential. Made from anodized aluminum, it's built for toughness, with weather and corrosion resistance that will last through many job sites. With a 4.6-star rating from 284 reviews, it's clearly trusted by those in the field. Now, some users found it a bit heavy to carry around. Here's the thing, though, that sturdiness is what makes it reliable for use with heavy-duty lasers. If you need something that can take a beating, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're a professional surveyor or contractor needing reliable measuring tools. Skip this one if you only need something for light home projects. Given its quality, it offers great value for the price. Now, if that weight concern makes you hesitate, the next product on our list might just change your mind. Product number 4, Mount Laser Telescoping Laser Level Pole. Next, I have the Mount Laser Telescoping Laser Level Support Pole, which goes for $60.99. This one really impressed me with its versatility and solid construction. If you're looking for a reliable support system for your laser level, this is worth your time. It's made of aluminum with a polyurethane coating, ensuring it stands up to tough environments. Plus, it features a sturdy tripod that locks the pole in place, so you won't have to worry about it shifting mid-measurement. With a 4.3-star rating from 512 reviews, it's well regarded by professionals. Some complaints were about the pole being a bit bulky, but honestly, with the stability it offers, that bulk is a fair trade-off, especially for serious projects. This is perfect for you if you need a durable support system for your surveying tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and lightweight. For the quality you're getting, it's reasonably priced. Alright, we've covered some great options. The last one on our list is unique and might just surprise you. Product number 5. Vortex Sizz Laser Level Line Tool. Finally, let's look at the Vortex Sizz Laser Level Line Tool, priced at $8.40. This is the most budget-friendly pick on our list and perfect for quick jobs. If you want something simple for everyday use, this one's definitely worth checking out. The Vortex Sizz Laser Level features a one-touch mode switch, allowing for quick changes between vertical, horizontal, and cross laser lines. This makes it incredibly easy to use for tasks like hanging art or installing cabinets. It also includes an 8-foot tape measure, eliminating the need for an extra tool. It has a 4.3-star rating, confirming that many users find it handy for smaller projects. However, some users reported that the laser isn't as bright as they'd like. But let's be real, for basic tasks around the house, it does the job perfectly well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a quick and affordable solution for DIY projects. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty or professional applications. For the price, it's hard to beat. That wraps our top 5 laser levels for surveying. Each has its strengths and fits different needs, so pick the one that best suits your projects. In summary, we've covered a range of laser levels from the affordable Ake Tri to the heavy-duty Firecore rod. Each one serves a specific purpose, whether for casual DIY or professional surveying. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and happy leveling.